In front of me here, a very heavy duty galvanised bracket that we have available on tvtrade.ie. Now the reason we stock this bracket is to be used in conjunction with large satellite dishes such as the 110cm dish that we sell on TV Trade that's proven to be quite popular, okay? Now the reason we decided to go for galvanised is that it's both wear resistant to the weather, and also it's an extremely strong bracket, okay? Now the overall dimensions of this, the steel that goes into the plate here is about 4.2 millimeters, and the overall dimension of it here, it's a 50 millimeter diameter, so about 2 inches, and there's a plastic cap on top here to stop water running inside it. The dimensions out here, it's 45 centimeters out from the wall. So if you do the maths on it, we'll say, you can see that if we have a 110 centimeter dish and it's mounted out here, we won't quite get the full 180 degree rotation, but in test we've done, we're probably getting about 150 or 60 degrees. So it means for the vast majority of guys, it'll work well on the wall at the pick as long as they have the generally right aspect on it, okay? So what would we use this in conjunction with? Well, we want to secure this to the wall. You know, it's because it's a heavy bracket. We can't just use sort of standard wall plugs, things like this that we'd use with an ordinary sky dish. So what we'd use here is something like, we'd use the 16mm drill bit that we have available on TV Trade. We'd use this to drill the 4 holes here in the corners. And what we'll do is come along then and we'll use these heavy duty anchor bolts here that are all also available on TV Trade and are actually listed as associated products of this bracket on the website. Now you'll see one neat feature of it here is that it's slotted and there's additional holes here. So you can add in extra bolts, or if you have a problem and the holes were slightly drilled in the wrong location, you have a certain flexibility when it comes to mounting the bracket. So that's it. It's an overview of the 45 centimeter galvanised heavy duty satellite dish wall mounting bracket available on tvtrade.ie.